a quick tip of how to use the roof rack that the Town & Countries have from 2011 to 2016. These things are awesome. Probably one of my favorite features in the vehicles. So there is actually a roof rack hidden right on top of the roof. There are screws that you have to undo on both ends. Now, for the sake of argument here, we have this one. We have the other one unscrewed. So the actual cross member comes free, and everything is pre-notched and ready to go. So it's fairly easy. What you do, you bent it so. After you have unscrewed both sides of the vehicle, you take the cross member, and there's actually a screw and a peg that fits, and then you just screw it. You do the same on both sides. Guys, it's handy, it's easy to do, which is, for me, the biggest thing. Give us a call, 610-282-1414. We have plenty of inventory. whybuythrifty.com. You can find myself, Willie Nelson, Jared, Dan, Joe Balby here, 9 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock at night during the week, and 9 to 5 on Saturdays. Have a great one.